Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. Here it usually opens up in the gallery. From the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it, then it starts to load. And after it has loaded, from the bottom bar, we have to select Detail. And here in the Detail menu, if we scroll down, there is Noise Reduction and the slider under it. Let's zoom in to show you how it works. If we move the slider to the right, the picture is going to become less noisy. The edges and the transition between the pixels are going to become smoother. But if we move it to the left, then as you can see here, it's a bit more grainy, a bit more textured, more noisy. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.